All right. Hello, everyone. Joey here. Clickbait Joey. Thumbnail Joey. Just want to check to see if everybody can hear me. All right, what are we going to do today? We're going to talk about creating an NFT site in 5 minutes. And let me get some screens working over here. Oh, my clock has already started. So let's see what I got for you. Create your NFT site in 5 minutes. Start the clock. The clock has already started. All right. We've got a repo that we're standing up. Basically, it allows you to create a starter template to build a website that will show off your NFT wallet. In the future, it'll show off a collection. And then you can click individual NFTs and view the dark blocks inside if you're the creator or the owner. Let's just get to the... So I'm going to go create... Oh, I don't know if I have to make this bigger. Hopefully you can see. So I'm going to do the make a directory, starter demo. And this is just, I'm going to pull it from GitHub. And I literally made edits like 3 minutes ago. So hopefully this doesn't blow up in my face. Darkblock, yarn install. Yarn install, yarn start. So what it's doing now is pulling all the packages. It's pulling our Darkblock NPMs. We have a series. Oh, good. Thanks, Julian. I've been talking for 2 minutes and wasn't sure. Didn't even check. So thank you. We're pulling the Darkblock NPMs. This particular use case will be for Ethereum and Metamask wallets. So one thing that we see a lot of are project websites. You have an NFT collection. You have an NFT project. You build your homepage. Everybody registers their domain. And what they wind up doing is creating links that go back to OpenSea or Magic Eden or wherever. And there's no real place for your audience, your collectors, your community to consume the unlockables that you've attached to your NFTs. So this starter template is that kind of first step, give you yet again some more tools to allow you to do so. It's downloading. The clock is still going. Let's see if I can beat the 5 minutes. And we're downloading a couple hundred megs worth of libraries to compile everything. Wallet connectors. Let's see what we got. Almost there. Come on, baby. Yarn install, yarn start. This is the most unsexy demo of all time. And then I'll go into it a little bit deeper before the clock runs out. All right, and yarn starts. So 2 minutes of it was just downloading the files. Now we're doing the build. Now, this particular starter template already comes with an established wallet address. We're using our model home environment. Let's see if this guy is running. So if you go to a local host, all right. What you see are a series of NFTs that are part of our model home collection. These are all different use cases. In our source code, I have established what address we're going to use, that you can customize that to your own project. Right now we're using a wallet address. In the future we want to use some sort of collection. So show me all the Bored Apes, show me all the jungle cats. Galleries preloaded. You can select a given NFT. I'm going to look at our buddy NFT. I've got no wallet connected. We do have our Darkblock viewer showing. And if I am the owner and I am connected with a wallet, I will be able to consume Darkblocks. So let me connect a wallet here. I'm going to connect a wallet. Let me go back to the home. I'm going to connect the wrong wallet. So I'm just going to grab a test wallet. So I'm connected to OX438. That is not the wallet that actually owns any of these. So if you look under personal, it doesn't show any of the collection NFTs because I don't own any of them. So let me change my wallet here. Hopefully I'm not revealing too much. I don't think I am. I'm going to connect the model home. All right, so you saw it flash immediately. That's not a real use case, but under my personal NFTs, it's a different wallet. I actually own each one of these NFTs. If I own the NFT, or I'm the creator of the NFT, I have the ability to open up the unlockable content. Encrypted content that only the owner or the creator can open. So let's open up Buddy again. So you see the Darkblock widget. God, I don't know if you can see. I hope you can see. You can see the Darkblock widget, authenticate ownership. It's asking me to sign to verify that, yeah, hey, I do own Buddy 254. It's now open, and I can now consume all the different types of assets. We are pulling from Arweave, we're decrypting, and then we're delivering it to the screen. So here's an album cover. And here's the next. Here's another album cover. Merch code. Buddy High Res. One of our 3D model assets. Ooh, I blew something up. Oh, let's give me the old refresh. 3D model broke something. Not a problem with our decryption. Not a problem with our protocol. A problem with these third-party viewers. 3D model player we use. Just got to debug it. This starter template is still early on, but you can change how it looks. So let's open it up real quick. Change my view here. All right, opening up an editor. I just created this brand new directory, so let me get to it, and then we'll make some edits to this starter template. So insert your own brand here is the idea behind this. So when you launch it as mycollection.com, you are showing your collection NFTs, the things you're trying to sell and promote to your community. You can have your community consume the Darkblocks right there in line. So let me get to the right folder. I created a folder. What folder did I create? Starter demo? Yes. And open. All right, let me get back to the screen. And again, I just pulled this code fresh from GitHub. I haven't configured anything. So we have some initial things we can play with. We can change our primary colors. I'm trying to remember my hex. Yeah, that's red. I blew it up. What did I do? F220. Maybe I picked. Oh, I didn't get rid of a bang here. Oh, did I kill it? Where's she at? Totally killed it. Let me get it running again. All right, building. Right, so I just changed this horrible thing to a red color. I'm trying to remember my, ooh, that's even worse. All right, I'll keep it back in black. 5. That We can make tertiary colors, secondary colors. So you have some level of customizability. Ooh, wrong word. So that you can insert logo here, literally replace and insert your logo there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have the ability to add pages to this site. This starter template is not targeted at a kind of beginner dev or a WordPress person. We have other tools for that, and I'll show you some of those real quick. This is targeted at NFT developers who just want to stand up a website, kind of a vanity website that helps them promote the collection, promote the project, and enable Darkblock unlockables to be consumed on their site. So that's what this is about. We're using Gatsby. Gatsby is a React kind of site generator. It is a bit painful. We might pivot here and just do a pure Next.js app. We did this in less than a week, and Gatsby hurts a little bit more than it should. So we might just make it pure Next.js and then tie it to Netlify to make it easy to publish, Vercel, whatever flavor you like. All right. Authenticate ownership. Again, I own all of these. I'm able to consume the content. Let's talk about embeds. Now, up on our website, let me see what I can do here. Up on our new docs.darkblock.io website, we have quite a bit of content. Let's see. On working with our APIs, let me switch networks. On using our NPMs, we support 5 chains right now. And we get quite a bit of traffic on Ethereum, Solana. Those, I would say, are our 2 main networks. Tezos is rapidly ramping up. Some amazing artists that are working with us. But let's say that you're not necessarily a super technical person. You're an artist, you're a creator, you know how to use WordPress, and you want to have Darkblocks be associated with your website. So what we have is some embed code that you can copy and paste, put in line, and show your Darkblocks. So let me see what I can do here. So here's just a static web page that I've stood up. The left side's showing kind of third web integration, where I can actually buy this NFT. And on the right-hand side is our Darkblock embed integration. So feasibly, you could buy an NFT and then consume the Darkblocks on a given page without having to bounce to OpenSea, Magic Eden. That's one of the benefits of Third Web. And then I can also consume the content. So let me see which wallet this is. I'm not that owner. It's the 0438. So let me change the wallet I'm on. Might be DB test 0438. I'm refreshing. Authenticate ownership, sign. So again, I've authenticated on my wallet with my wallet, proven that I am the owner of this NFT, DB Manifesto, on Polygon, and I have unlocked the Darkblocks all on a third-party website. This is on like my personal, boring website. So we kind of have 2 scenarios. We have starter kit. We need to do a little bit of cleaning to get this thing ready for prime time and have you all contribute and to make it better. But there's enough here that you can build your project website with it. And then our embed, if you go to docs.darkblock.io, it's basically just a copy paste iframe, input the contract address and the NFT ID, which is basically more or less the wallet address and the ID, depending on platform. And then what you would get is like what you see here on the right-hand side. I'm going to refresh it. This little square that when you connect with your wallet, you have access to open up the Darkblocks. Okay. I think that's what we wanted to show you today. We keep it relatively short. We'll be open sourcing the starter kit. We need to do a little bit of cleanup, which we're working on right now. Make it a little bit easier to customize. We might abandon Gatsby just because it's been hurting our feelings. And we'll have something up and available for you. Ideally next week. We got to hustle. We got to get this out because we think there's tremendous value on giving more software to collection websites. And then the embed. We actually have a couple different versions. What we have documented is the one on our docs. We have another one where we're showing a thumbnail of the NFT as well. We're doing some cleanup on that, and we'll be rolling that out soon. So, yeah, you can insert your Darkblock enabled content right on your own collection website, right on your own project page, and have your audience. Hey, Mark Stewart. Thank you, sir. And that's the idea. That's the idea behind this. Less than 5 minutes to install. You can customize it to your heart's content. Dress it up how you want. It's generic enough that it'll wear different clothes. Connect wallets. Consume Darkblock. Showcase the NFT collection. All right, guys. Thanks. Thanks, Mark. I'm sure. Yeah, this is the stuff the world needs. Little world needs. Yeah, I can't tell you how many project or collection websites I go to. They build this beautiful environment. I mean, they spend time and money and love to showcase the artists and the collection. And then when it's time to do anything, you bounce off into OpenSea for commerce, and you kind of don't ever come back to the community. With Darkblocks, since you're consuming content associated with your NFT, and we make it easy with a variety of tools. Whatever level developer you are, raw APIs, NPMs, starter kits, embeds, you can integrate and have your community consume their Darkblocks within your website. So yeah, I want to see the collection websites be more of a gathering place than just a link tree launch place to go do some commerce. So I think that's the benefit we have here. All right. Stay tuned for what we're going to do next week. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, in a void with a red heart. My hands are sweating. We were kind of walking the tightrope today, kind of getting this out. We're going to make it look sexier. We're going to get it up so that other developers can contribute. We think there's some tremendous value here. And this is all just tools to interact with our protocol and, kind of our money maker, the stuff we put most of our attention on. But tools to help artists, bringing you into the value of unlockables. That's what we're looking at. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I will talk to y'all next week, noon Central Time. Take it easy. Again, thank you very much. Bye.